Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people in person and you want to be sure to add them into your Teachable. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one person into your Teachable, here on the left side, you're going to click on users. Okay, to do that, you're going to see all the users in your Teachable. However, to manually add one person, you're going to click on this turquoise button, add students. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have these two options, manually or import. So if you're importing a list of subscribers, you want to use this. This is going to be importing a spreadsheet. But if you're manually just adding one, just click on manually, and then you can add their name, email, and then you can create a password for them. So go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, next you have to confirm these users have consented to receiving emails from your school. And now you need to choose a method on which they paid you. So let's go ahead and say they didn't pay, and then you're going to click on import. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see we've added a new contact into our Teachable course right here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Teachable course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.